2025 Color Trends and Luxury Lighting. Elevate modern interiors with aesthetic flair and elegance. As we navigate through the evolving design landscape, 2025 promises to be a year of bold yet thoughtful innovations in the realm of interior aesthetics, where color and lighting dominate as key transformative elements. The theme: 2025 Color Trends and Luxury Lighting. Elevate modern interiors with aesthetic flair and elegance. Encapsulates the fusion of vibrant palettes and exquisite lighting solutions to redefine spaces with sophistication and dynamism. The color trends of 2025 are poised to break traditional boundaries, embracing a spectrum that ranges from serene, nature-inspired hues to exuberant, daring shades. At the forefront stands a palette celebrating organic connections to the world around us. Imagine soft moss greens, desert sand tones, and oceanic blues that evoke tranquility and balance. These colors not only mirror the Earth's inherent beauty, but also promote a sense of calm and well-being within the home. Complementing these softer shades are bold, saturated colors such as deep teal, rich aubergine, and vivid coral, designed to infuse energy and creativity into modern interiors. Together, these palettes empower homeowners and designers to craft spaces that reflect both individuality and a harmonious connection to the natural environment. The integration of luxury lighting in modern interiors transcends mere functionality, becoming an essential design component that adds layers of texture and depth. Twenty 2025's trends focus on lighting as an art form, where fixtures are thoughtfully selected to complement and enhance the color story of each space. Expect to see an array of statement chandeliers, sculptural pendant lights, and innovative LED installations that exude elegance and opulence. These lighting pieces, crafted from high-quality materials like crystal, polished metals, and hand-blown glass, will captivate and draw attention, acting as focal points that illuminate not just rooms but imaginations. Innovative lighting technologies will also play a pivotal role in shaping the modern luxury interior. Smart lighting systems, offering customizable control over color temperatures and intensities, allow for adaptable environments at the touch of a button. This advancement in technology affords a personalized atmosphere tailored to the time of day, occasion, or mood, reinforcing the notion that the future of lighting is as much about experience as it is about aesthetics. Additionally, 2025 will witness a resurgence of natural light maximization, with designers striving to create seamless transitions between indoor and outdoor spaces. Floor-to-ceiling windows, skylights, and reflective surfaces become critical elements, capturing sunlight to enhance the hues and textures within a room. This focus on natural illumination not only reduces dependence on artificial lighting, but also aligns with sustainable living practices, a core value in contemporary design paradigms. Accessories and smaller decor items will serve as the final flourish in modern interiors, reflecting the color and lighting trends with finesse. Expect to see cushions, rugs, and art pieces that pick up accent colors and echo the thematic brilliance of the interior scheme. Metallic accents like brass and gold will find their way into lamp bases, picture frames, and tabletop decor, adding a touch of luxury and continuity across spaces. Ultimately, 2025's approach to color trends and luxury lighting offers a comprehensive vision for enhancing modern interiors. It is a harmonious blend of nature, technology, and artistry, bringing forth spaces that are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also deeply personal and evocative. Whether through the soothing embrace of earth tones, the striking allure of opulent fixtures, or the seamless integration of lighting innovations, modern luxury interiors in 2025 promise to be environments where style and substance coalesce, elevating everyday living to new heights of elegance.